Good morning children. Welcome to your GK session, and today we are going to start with chapter number 5. As the fourth chapter we have completed in our previous class, which was collective names. What was it? Collective names means the name of different groups. Okay, so today we are beginning with the GK, and chapter is 5, chapter number 5, that is the first Indian women. We will learn about some Indian women, the women of India who has achieved heights or who have received some positions, some prizes in different fields. तो जिन्होंने अलग अलग fields में कुछ positions, कुछ success, कुछ prize receive किए हैं, we are going to read about those women. Okay? So children, beginning with, you will write the date in the top corner, then you will write the chapter number, chapter name and classwork in the right hand side top corner. Okay? Then you will draw the red margins very beautifully. Okay? So, after that we will begin with the first question, which is fill in the blanks. What is the first question? Fill in the blanks means you have to write the names of the women who have achieved different things in different fields. Okay? So, number 1. Dash was the first Indian woman to win a Nobel Prize in 1979. So, in 1979, a woman received the Nobel Prize, and that woman was from India. So, who was she? She was Mother Teresa. She was Mother Teresa. So, Mother Teresa was the first Indian woman, means she was from India. So, she received the Nobel Prize in 1979. इन्होंने Nobel Prize लिया था 1979 में. Okay? Nobel Prize is very respectful, very honorable reward given to somebody. Okay? The first women president of India was Pratibha Patil. There were different presidents of India. Who is the current president? You all remember? Yes, it is Mr. Ramnath Kovind. So, the first women to become the president. कौन थी जो first president बनी थी? Women that was president of India. She was Pratibha Patil. Pratibha Patil. P-R-A-T-I-B-H-A. Pratibha Patil. P-A-T-I-L. So Pratibha Patil was the first woman who became president in India. Okay? Kalpana Chawla was the first woman in space. We all know the first woman to keep her step in space was Kalpana Chawla. To go in the space, to go to the moon. Who was the first woman? She was Kalpana Chawla. Who was she? Kalpana Chawla. Okay? Kiran Bedi became the first IPS officer in India in 1972. So in 1972, there was the first woman to become an IPS officer. Okay? She was the first woman to become the IPS officer. So Kiran Bedi was the first woman to achieve a position of an IPS officer in India in the year 1972. Okay? Now we will do the remaining ones. Now children, next. The first ever Indian woman to fly an aircraft was Sarla Thakral. So the first woman to fly an aircraft. एक aircraft means a smaller form of airplane जिस women ने उड़ाया था, that was Sarla Thakral. Who was she? Sarla Thakral. S-A-R-L-A T-H-A-K-R-A-L. Thakral. Okay? Now, number 6. Mary Kom is the only women boxer who has won a medal in 6 world championships. So Mary Kom is the first woman and the only woman who has won 6 medals in World Championship. Means when she went out international level pe, when she went out for playing, she won 6 World Championship medals. So who was she? She was a boxer and the name was Mary Kom. You must have seen movie Mary Kom. In that her whole story and struggle has been explained. So she was the only Indian woman to win 6 World Championship in boxing. Okay. Number 7. The first woman Prime Minister of India was Indira Gandhi. Who was she? Indira Gandhi. First President, Lady President was Pratibha Patil. She was the Prime Minister. Who was she? She was the Prime Minister. Okay, and Pratibha Patil is the President. Who is the current Prime Minister of India? It is Mr. Narendra Modi. Okay. So she was the first Indian woman to become the Prime Minister of India. The first woman to win a medal in badminton at Olympics was Saina Nehwal. So the first woman to win the medal in badminton in Olympics was Saina Nehwal. So she is one of the great and the best badminton players in India. Saina Nehwal, she was the first woman to win a medal in the badminton in Olympics. Okay, Olympics में साइना नेहवाल ने बैडमिंटन के लिए मेडल लिया था first time. So she was the first woman to receive a medal for the badminton in Olympics. So what was the name of the woman? She was Saina, S-A-I-N-A, Saina Nehwal, N-E-H-W-A-L. Okay. So children, these are the 8 great Indian women which we have learned several different things. What all they have achieved in their life. Okay. So after this, when you complete your work, you will draw a red line and you will end your work. Okay children. So this work is to be done in your copies very beautifully. Okay. So till we meet in our next class, bye-bye, have a good day and take good care of yourselves.